In this video I will show you what happens and what does not when you log out from your Instagram. Also I will show you how to log out from Instagram. When you log out from Instagram, then current session will be ended and you need to provide username or password to log in back. If you log out, you won't be able to view your feed, notifications, messages or any content on Instagram until you log in back. Even if you log out, your profile will remain as it is. Others can view your profile. Your follower and following list do not get affected. Your account will not be deleted or deactivated. Your posts and stories will still be visible to others. Your chat message are also not lost. For this, go and open Instagram app on your phone. Next, click on profile icon at bottom right corner. Click on 3 bars at the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom and then click on log out link. In the pop-up, click on log out. If you want to remove this profile, then click on 3 dots at the top. Next, click on remove profiles from this device. After that, click on remove button, and after that you have to provide username and password to log in back. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.